Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I am going to count my £1 coins in my jar from last year. I started putting the pound coins in around October, something like that, September, and I have spent a few pounds out of it. But this is what I have left, and I just want to empty out so I can start again. For my new savings challenges for this year, I started the pound coins again. Once I've emptied this out, I'll be able to put the others in that I've got in my binder so far. So should we get counting? Right, that's done. So what have I got here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 pounds. And that's not bad. The majority of these coins are from my Roll the Dice Double the Challenge, because I used to use a lot of coins for that. This belongs to that challenge that has been ongoing. I really enjoy it. It's just a way of just putting some coins away, you know, saving some coins without even thinking about it, and fun at the same time. So there's 90 pounds there, and they're going into bags. 20 will go in each bag. I'll just put the last 10 in here. I'll just mark that off. Put that in there. I'm going to put this £80 towards savings challenges. That's that. We have our money bags done. And that wasn't bad. I will put the coins in the next time I do my savings challenges, which will be in a few days' time. Lovely. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.